See friends, I have solved full Rubik's Cube. Now I will say how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It is very easy. Now see friends, I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Friends, first we have to take a plus sign with this bottom part. You can take plus sign as you wish. Okay, remove this part. As you take a plus sign, take it matching part. See, red is up. Take it to the red and 2 times back. This is green, 2 times back. This is orange. This is blue. We will do 2 times back. This is orange. You have to take the plus sign in the opposite color. Like if you are taking, you have to solve white first. You have to take the white color to the opposite part of white, that is yellow. Now you have to rotate each part 2 times. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now you have got a plus sign with the matching pairs. Now you have to solve the corner parts. First you have to take it to the upper side. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right. See, I will show you here again. Left, up, left down, up, upside, left again, again. See, you have get a T. Your one layer is over. Now it's another 2 parts. You can take this right, up, right, up, right, up, right. The last part remaining is this. Up, right, up, right. See, one layer has been filled. Now we have to go to second layer. Let's take green. Take this part. If you get like this pieces yellow, that is in upper part, don't take that pieces. You have to shift this piece to this side. That is up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left. And this part 2 means top to right. Up, right, up, right, up, face, up, back. See, it is filled. Now next is blue. You have to fill orange. Top to left. Up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left. See. Now you have to fill. See. You have to fill green. Up, left, up, left, up, left, up. See, you have fill the second part. Now, friends, if you do not get, I will give some mathematics signs that you can see. Friends, you have to take a plus sign here. If you didn't get, Friends, first you have to take the plus sign. If you didn't get, you can do like this. Right, up, right down, right up, up 2 times. You will get like this shape. You can do again. Then take this part. You will get like fish shape. Okay. Otherwise, if you didn't get, you can do by left also. See. It is your choice. Now you get a plus sign. We have to fill. Right, up, right down, right up, right up 2 times back. Again you have to do. See, we have got a fish. Now we have to fill this part. Okay. Again do like that. It will be filled. This opposite side take it. Again do like that. See, your upper layer is finished. Take this letter red. No. Now, if which side is mostly filled, like this, I filled like take its opposite color. Or you can take this opposite color. It is your choice. You have to take opposite side and right face, right, back 2 times, right face, back 2 times, and right. See, you will get like U shape. You have to do another rhythms. 2 times right, up, right, up, right back, up back, right back, up back, right back, up back. See, the full Rubik's cube has been solved. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please comment how your experience is about this channel.